you think changing the name of the TRS to BRS was a mistake in hindsight because the party lost its Telangana core identity and you didn't really do much as far as the Bharatiya plan was concerned?
No, absolutely not. In fact, as a party, we wanted to grow beyond our borders. We were trying our luck, but unfortunately, we lost our home base. So now it is time to go back and, recoup at home and then possibly look beyond. But for now, I think Telangana is our focus and we'll continue to remain steadfast on this.
Tell our viewers, what is that crane? The crane has a... Are you supposed to get garlanded by that?
Supposed to be. But now that the rain has caused havoc, I think it's all gone for a toss.
Your party now has the Bharatiya name instead of the Telangana name. What's your sense of the pan-India Bharatiya picture? How are you seeing this Lok Sabha?
Well, this Lok Sabha seems to be a very, I think, a divided kind of a house. If you look at various states across India, one can basically tell by the desperation in Prime Minister's tone that his party is not doing as well as he was hoping for. The whole Ab Ki Baar, 400 Par. I think people have realized that 400 Par is going to be petrol and diesel rates and not really BJP's seats in parliament. So therefore, I think they can see through the time.
Why do you think the Prime Minister is desperate? He's sounding quite confident. He's projecting that he's coming back to power. Ministries are planning what they'll do in the first 100 days.
There's a lot of difference, Rahul, in posturing and also actually, when you speak and when you start making these jihadist speeches, when you start invoking how Muslims have more children and how inheritance. Well, you have to hear his speeches, you have to see the tone, the tenor. Sounds really desperate for a man who's governed the country for 10 years, for a man who's run one of the large states in India for 3 terms. Sounds really desperate.
BJP is hoping to emerge as the #1 party in Telangana this year and at least double that value from the last time.
They can hope against hope, but the fact is BJP has done diddly squat for Telangana. Not a single medical college, not a single educational institution, not a single rupee when Hyderabad was flooded, not a single rupee for metro expansion in Hyderabad, not a single national project status has been conferred on any of our irrigation projects. I can go on. The list is endless. They have basically been extremely partial and they have been nothing but a stepmother for Telangana. The Prime Minister time and again has insulted Telangana and its formation in the last 10 years. He has done diddly squat. Therefore, they have no reason. They have nothing to say, in fact, when it comes to seeking a vote in Telangana.
So the Telugu Desam party in Andhra Pradesh tied up with the BJP. The Janata Dal Secular in Karnataka tied up with the BJP. What about the BRS tying up with the BJP? Because the Prime Minister alluded to KCR wanting to tie up with the BJP.
The Prime Minister says a lot of things. He's a very imaginative man. There are a lot of figments of his imagination which have not come true, such as Kala Dhan वापस लाएंगे, मुझे चौराहे पे जला दो, अगर 50 दिन में मैं सब कुछ ठीक नहीं कर दूंगा, मैं हर किसी को घर दिला दूंगा, बुलेट रेल दौड़ा दूंगा, 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी कर दूंगा, कहां शुरू करूं और कहां एंड करूं, किसान की आमदनी डबल कर दूंगा. None of this became true. Today the man has nothing to stand on or lean on. Unfortunately, 10 years of abysmal governance, 10 years of governance which has resulted in the highest inflation in 40 years, highest unemployment in 30 years, lowest rupee value ever. Nothing to boast about. So all you have to do is basically come out with imaginative hypotheses and imaginative theories.